Here it comes. I'm not going to go back empty-handed, by the way. If you can outdo Harbhajan with the putter.
Rajneesh Kumar, Live India.
It's quite a combination here. We're going to have Live India, ESPN. Okay, that's it. So now, he tried very hard. It just went over the hole, but never mind. Okay, who's up next? Rajneesh? Rajneesh is up next. There are prizes for this, by the way. As I said, you're not going back empty-handed. If you destroy the backdrop, it doesn't count, by the way. A little harder, it's going to ricochet and go and hit a Live India camera, so be careful. Okay, so it's... No, we're still going to keep going. He's hit the target. Second place. In second place, where is Rajneesh? Given that he was the guinea pig who came up first and hit the target. A little bit hard, but nonetheless, you can come and pick up your second prize. And of course,